Hi, this is Dr. Scott Hoar, and this is Treatment Tuesday here at Alcoa Chiropractic in Alcoa, Tennessee. Today our patient is Faith Anderson. Faith, what do you got going on?
So I am in cosmetology school at Aveda, and I'm doing hair all day. I take between 3 and 4 clients a day, so I have a lot of headaches and neck issues that I want to get resolved.
Okay, yeah, and that's a common thing for hairdressers and people that are working on clients. You know, you're on your feet, kind of bent over all day long, so that can be very tough on the neck and shoulders.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll check out your Kinetisense assessment here. We did the Kinetisense Advanced Movement Screen CAMS, and what it showed here was overall she scored about a 77%, which is pretty good. It did point out that the left shoulder blade is a little bit of a stability issue, meaning it's moving too much, and then both of your shoulders in the transverse plane have mobility issues, meaning the shoulders aren't as flexible or in the right way that we want them to, and then the left shoulder blade is just moving too much.
Okay.
And what you'll notice as we do the squat, you see kind of shifting going on the hip and the knee, and then in particular, if we keep your eyes on your shoulder,
That one goes higher.
Yeah, it's higher, so it's not level as you dip down into that squat. And that's what we really want to see. A sign of effective control of your body is that when you do something complicated like a squat, you can keep your shoulders in really great alignment. So what we want to do here during your treatment today is really, I'm going to focus on getting your shoulder blades stabilizing better and both of your shoulders getting a little bit better flexibility, and then hopefully during the post-assessment we can see a difference.
Okay, awesome.
Okay? Okay. All right, drop that. Good. All right. Very good. You doing okay?
Yes.
All right. Big old hug. Put your chin to your chest. Breathe in out. Good. Okay. We're going to start doing some muscle tests now.
Okay.
Hold your arm like so. I'm going to push this way. Don't let me. Good. All right. Push that. Pushing that way. Pushing that way. Again. That's not as good, right? All right, so that was your pec major muscle, your main chest muscle. So we've got to get this muscle working better. So I'm going to look where your ribs and your sternum meet.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to be feeling for either a restricted joint or just a tender joint. And that's kind of restricted and tender, right? So the table's going to pop up here. Drop your elbow down all the way. And breathe on out. Good. Hold it like so. I'm going to push that way, resist. And that's better,
Yes.
huh? Okay, I want you to make a fist for me. I'm going to push down towards you. Really strong. Bend your elbow, bring it in at your rib cage. I'm going to pull out like so. Really good. Hold your arm like so. We're going to push down, resist. Very strong. Straighten your hand. I'm going to pull towards me, pushing towards you. Good. I want you to drop your elbow down. Good. I'm going to pull forward like so. Don't let me do that. Really strong. Okay, good. You know, again, we noticed, when there's a little shift in and click in there, there was a little bit of shift to her shoulder as I was putting it into flexion here. Good. All right, I like that. Hold it right there. I'm going to push that way. Don't let me. Pushing that way. Don't let me. Again, same kind of area, right?
Did you hear the pop? It like.
No, I didn't. So I think a little lower down there. Okay. Breathe out. Good. Hold it right there. Going to push that way. Much better. Make a fist. I'm going to push down towards you. Really good. Elbow in at your rib cage. Going to pull out like so. Great. Hold it like that. Gonna push down. And that one's weaker. Okay, and that was different than the other side. So I'll do another shoulder adjustment here. Good. Hold it like so. Gonna push down. Definitely better. Bend your elbow straight and your hand, I'm gonna pull towards me, pushing towards you. Good. Drop your elbow down all the way. And I'm gonna pull forward. I want you to resist that. Really good. Okay. So it was the left shoulder stability, I should say shoulder blade stability. That was one of the problems, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll just do a quick little stabilization exercise.
Mm-hmm.
So kind of make a fist for me. And I'm going to push this way, and then this way, and then this way, and then this way, and all over the place. Your job is to just resist it.
Okay.
And really, it's tough, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Relax. Shake it out. Hold it right there. Resist. And so this is actually a shoulder and shoulder girdle stability exercise because you're learning to have to withstand movement. You're learning how to not move stuff. And eventually, the better you get at this, resist it, the more it happens without you having to think about it. And not easy, is it?
No. So I'm like, which way are you going now?
Yeah. Cool. Okay, good. All right, so that was our treatment. How'd that go for you?
It was great. Best neck adjustment I've ever had. So,
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
All right, good. The assessment made a lot of sense. She actually has a condition where she's had to have multiple surgeries to try to kind of stabilize her shoulders and get those moving a little bit better. How do the shoulders feel after the adjustment?
They feel a lot better, more movement, but not too much movement, just very like equal.
Good, good.
Yeah.
All right. All right, well, thank you so much for being such a good sport with us today. It was a lot of fun to treat you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tune in next week for Treatment Tuesday. I'm Dr. Scott Hoar with Alcoa Chiropractic Center here in Alcoa, Tennessee. Bye-bye.